Hello everyone, this is Dr. Srinivasan, Professor, Department of CSE R&D Engineering College. In this video, I'm going to talk about Ethereum ecosystems. Ethereum ecosystem has many components. Most importantly, it has three components. One is Ethereum client, another one is local blockchain, and the third one is Web3.js library. And the Ethereum client, also known as Get, which is used to interact with the user. The JIT runs on the nodes and connects to the P2P Ethereum network from where blockchain is downloaded and stored locally. It provides various functions such as mining and account management. The local copy of the blockchain is synchronized regularly with the network. The Web3.js library allows interaction with the Ethereum client JIT through remote procedure call interface. Ethereum network has a few important high-level elements. They are keys and addresses, accounts, transaction and messages, Ether cryptocurrency or tokens, the Ethereum virtual machine, and smart contracts. The following diagram shows how the Ethereum network works. The Web3 um, or the custom interface is accessed through the remote procedure calls, and the Ethereum client enables the users to access the network, and it is connected to the local blockchain. So the local blockchain is synchronized with the other blockchain nodes. So it is automatically updated as soon as the all other blockchains are upgraded. Keys and addresses represents the ownership and they are essential to transfer Ether. So keys in Ethereum network are usually in pairs of private and public types. The private key is generated randomly and it is kept secret, and it is important for generating transactions. So we sign the transaction using the private key. The public key is derived from the private key. Addresses are derived from the public keys, which are 20 bytes code used to identify the Ethereum accounts. Let us see how we can generate the our accounts. The public key is randomly chosen under the rules defined by the elliptic curve SECP 256K1 specification algorithms. The public key is then derived from the private key using the ECDSA recovery function, and address is derived from the public key, which is the rightmost 160 bits of the class of the public key. Account is another important building block of Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum state is created and updated as a result of the interaction between accounts and transaction execution. That state transition is achieved using Ethereum state transaction function. In Ethereum network, we can find two types of accounts. One is externally owned accounts, EOAs, which is controlled by the private key. Another one is contract accounts, which is code associated. Now we see the important properties of EOAs. EOAs have either balance, they are capable of setting transaction, they have no associate code, they are controlled by private keys. These kind of account contain key value stored, they are associated with the human user. The CA accounts have ether balance. They are associated with the code that differentiate the CAs from the EOAs. It is kept in the memory or storage on the blockchain. They can get triggered and execute code in response to the transaction or the message from other contracts. This code is executed by Ethereum virtual machine by each mining node on the Ethereum network. EAs can maintain their permanent state and can call other contracts. They are not associated with any user or actor on the blockchain. EAs contain a key value store. These are all about Ethereum accounts and the Ethereum ecosystem. Thanks for watching.